Hello everyone! Welcome to the grand opening of Cup of Joy. So, tara!
Congratulations, Cup of Joy! Ang message ko lang sa'yo, stay focused. Nandito lang kami para gabayan ka namin.
Yes, ate. Kami ni Papa, support lang talaga kami sa inyong magkakapatid. Maraming salamat.
Salamat!
Bye! Good luck!
Every seed can never stray, you burden me, no matter the state of space and time.
Tapos sa buong ating pagdiriwang, umayo kayong taglay kapayapaan ni Kristo. Salamat sa Diyos. Congratulations po.
But if you don't want my love, and if you want something more, said if you.
Good afternoon everyone. Thank you po ulit sa pagpunta sa aming grand opening. So, sana po patuloy lang din yung pag-support niya sa Cup of Joy. And sana mag-enjoy kayo sa mga food and drinks na matitikman nyo at natikman nyo na. Thank you!
One, two, 3, 4, hit!
Check it out, check it, 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 check it, check it out, check it, check it out, check it, check it out, check it.
Hey, Greg and the CEO.
Ay, teka, ulit.
Straight to your piece like grass monkey. All I wanna know, do you wanna get funky? CNC beats be kicking like a donkey. Get down if you're chunky.
Congrats, Cup of Joy! Congratulations, ate!
Got the factory, CNC has got a trunk to funk.
Gusto po namin yung place na to is not just a place for you to eat, uminom ng coffee, or uminom ng any types of drinks. Kasi meron po kaming mga milkshakes, meron kaming milk tea, and then we have fraps. So we have several types of drinks, and then we also have silog meals, chicken meals, and waffle, and pizza. So gusto namin yung space na to is not just for eating or drinking. We want it to be a space for you to enjoy. From the name itself, Cup of Joy, gusto namin ma-feel yung joy in every cup that we make and also in the food that we make. Ayan. So, again, thank you so much po sa lahat ng pumunta. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo and sana bumalik pa kayo dito.
Call me the man with the funky rhyme. Wanna see you fly, honey dip, but don't waste time. Like R. Kelly, I bump and grind. Honey dip is looking fine. Would you mind? Be so kind. Let me funk you from behind. Let me funk you from behind. Ladies, let your body flow. Ladies, let your body flow. Ladies, let your body flow. Ladies, let your body flow.
Tayo, kapag naging mabuti at ibinahagi natin ang kabutihan ng Diyos, yan nga sabi ay abot-abot na ibabalik sa atin ng Diyos. Yung mga bagay na hindi natin inaasahan, no, minsan tayo ay napapawaw sa mga bagay. Kasi nga, mabuti ang Diyos na ating kinikilala at pinaglilingkuran. Kaya naman yung mga kabutihan ay ibinibigay sa atin dahil tayo katiwa-tiwala doon sa mga biyaya na kanyang ipinagkaloob sa atin.
So first of all, gusto lang po magpasalamat sa mga friends, family, and then yung mga walk-in guests po namin for visiting our new coffee shop, which is Cup of Joy.
Check it out, check it, check it out, check it, check it, check it out, check it.